black women building up black men, and then they turn around and this. Like, we think parties in Jamaica, like we do a lot of dressing up and stuff. Like we're driving by. Let's dance. Pineapples for this week, fruits. So I don't want anyone to tell me that I'm stink. Over. You know, some people say judge over. Sandals are Gucci. Like, where the I want to show you quickly what I wore for dinner today. Bye.
Who's calling it? Who's calling? Who's calling it? Who's calling?
So this is where we're going, right? Barbecue. So something very strange about me. So once I'm able to see behind the counter and see what you're doing, I'm going to come and watch you. Anyways, we're here slicing up the beef and the brisket and the pork and all of that. That meat was so good. And their mac and cheese, I won't lie, it was good. They call it shells. It was really good. Coleslaw, mwah, 10 out of 10 would recommend. The meal was pretty good. And the portion looked a bit small, but I was full. Take two. So I went out for dinner, right? And I want to show you quickly what I wore for dinner today. Went to Wright's Barbecue. The food was pretty good. I had brisket, mac and cheese, or shell and cheese. That's like their version of mac and cheese. And coleslaw. And that was actually pretty good. So let me show you what I wore today. So the top is from Gap. The top is from Gap. The skirt is Zara. It's so pretty and cute. Let me push it back a little. So the skirt is from Zara. It's very twirly, flirty, girly. Sandals are Gucci. And the handbag is from Coach. The cutest. I wore it last night as well. Oh my god, I'm trying to get proper lighting for a proper fit check, but darn, the lighting keep on fighting me. But this is how I'm looking. Top Gap, skirt. Top Gap, skirt Zara, shoes Gucci, and that's me. Alright, let me bring it. Went for dinner and I got some stuff at the grocery. So I want to show you what we bought. It's not much. We just needed like some rice and some stuff. So let me show you. Went to Walmart to get some stuff. Dinner was really good. I need to wash my hair. That's one. Let me bring up the lighting just a tad bit. Wait. I need to wash my hair, and so I got some Aussie. I love Aussie. My mom put me onto Aussie, and I've been using Aussie for shampoo and for conditioner for a minute now. I got the avocado and jojoba. You know, some people say jojoba, but it's jojoba oil. I think that's how I pronounce. Conditioner, shampoo and conditioner. Backstory. So while living in Japan, because the summer in Japan is brutal, facts. I realized that I prefer to double my deodorant, right? So I used to use let me go for the container. Yeah, so on a regular, I use these two, the Arm & Hammer Ultra Max Fresh, right? And I use Degree Sheer Powder. I use both of them during the summer months, winter months as well, because it just helped me like keep me fresh. However, after lately, I realized that like it not really last long. It's not lasting long. So I have been considering what I want to use. And like me don't want nobody. I don't want anyone to tell me that I'm stink. So yeah. Your body smell good, you smell good, your clothes smell good, but then your arm have a little odor to it. So I was in Walmart and I was looking at the options, and I saw this one and I saw the Dove one. I used to use Dove back in the days, but like it never strong enough for me. So we're going to try the Secret clinically proven sweat protection. 1 stress, 2 heat, 3 activity. Stress response. And I got 2 of them. So I'm gonna try it and see how it works. What else did I buy? Oh, I bought hair oil because I'm going to wash my braids and I need to keep the scalp moisturized. So I got intense hydration oil, same with avocado and jojoba oil. What else did we get? And then we get a few little stuff. Cheese and garlic croutons, cause we make salad here. Tomatoes, coconut milk, cause I plan to make some rice and peas tomorrow. Bought rice, the mahatma jasmine rice, and basmati. So, and I bought some shower caps for us to do the wash and steam. And what was it? Buy 2 pineapples. Oh, and we need a scallion for our rice and peas tomorrow. And we have pineapples for this week, fruits. So, yeah, dance. Come on, tomorrow I'm gonna start with the camera. Tonight, I just want to relax. And I bought onion, of course. We never need much onion else. Turn off my laptop off. No, it's on. I'm gonna turn it off. And I'm going to drink some wine tonight. I feel for some wine. I'm gonna relax. I'm going to relax. And yeah, let's dance. Come on, let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance. I'm gonna put away. I boiled some corn earlier. I'm sorry, I'm plugging my password from the laptop so I can turn it off. I boiled some corn earlier, so I'm going to put that away and then go and relax. Yeah, so that's what's going on for me. I am doing pretty well. I had a really great night tonight. Like, we were driving around and playing music and singing and chilling and vibing. That was pretty fun. I enjoyed that. I don't know, like, I think parties in Jamaica, like, we do a lot of dressing up and stuff. Like, we're driving by the club, there's a line outside to get into the club, right? But then everybody's in a shorts and sneakers, and like the girls in Jamaica, the girls in Jamaica put them back foot, neck, everything in them outfit in the club. I know, but like, some of the girls, of course, I'm not good, but I'm like, it's like, that's supposed to be out when you're gonna go. But then just most of them just like quite simple. Some look quite hot, but I guess it depends on the state and the area, for sure. What else? Yeah, we drive around in the town and that was pretty good. Like, I have an ice cream and some wine and relax. I'm really excited about the camera. I'm really excited about the camera. But yeah, I have some work to get done. Well, when I cut my mouth. But I think I look really cute, really girly today. Really cute, really girly. My neck has been irritated, so I didn't have on a necklace tonight. Yeah. Your audio. What is on my background? I hope you have a great weekend. I need to edit my videos more quicker. Yeah. Anyways, tomorrow I don't think we're doing anything tomorrow. Washing our hair, probably a little cleaning, cook dinner. Yeah. Oh, you can see me while I prep for wine and stuff like that. While I put away what I need to put away. You have to put garlic. You have to put garlic in your rice and peas, and you have to, like, I don't like pressure cookers, so I'm going to put the peas to soak overnight. I'm not sure if it's soft or stuff. So I'm gonna put this peas to soak overnight. Of course, I'm going to put up some garlic and put in it. It helps to give it flavor and so on. Some believe that it helps to soften the peas. So let's see. Put up the garlic and then leave it to soak overnight. Alright, so what do we have? Cherry ice cream, vanilla cherry ice cream, a small piece of banana bread, some wine. We're going to put our banana bread inside our cherry ice cream. Put our banana bread inside the cherry ice cream. And there's some chocolate on the banana bread as well. Alright. You're gonna Rosé. Stella Rosa. Open. Yeah. Get up here. Let's dance. Taste test. Oh, the mango chili. Oh, that's sweet and spicy. Oh, that's good. That's sweet. You actually taste the mango. And you have that spicy chili taste. Yep. Get up here. Let's dance. Today was lovely. Bye. Alright, so I've been doing a lot today. Cooking. Went to the supermarket. We got some snacks. I tried this fiery mango Doritos. Not my favorite. But we got some snacks and we got some sauce because I wanted to make gravy for the chicken. I was making some brown stew chicken. And I needed some sauce to put in it to mix up and make, you know, your gravy and all of that. So I was cooking, so let me show you what I cooked today. I made brown stew chicken and rice and peas. And I say pepper must in here, rice and peas. Listen, let me tap into the spoon because I need enough to see this. Shelly jasmine rice, yeah. Nice brown stew chicken. Like croutons, tap in croutons and vegetable and stuff in the coleslaw. See, I go back up the coleslaw. Listen up the water, wine. You see? You know they always talk about this black women building up black men and then they turn around and disrespect you. It be your own. See you later, guys. So, hi guys. Now I was fully moisturized, bathed, showered, and everything. I'm going to get snow cone. You know, it's summertime, snow cone time. It's kind of slightly storming here. See what that's about. So we're pulling up to the spot right now. Are they open or are they closed? Are they? Well, two people over there eating ice cream. I mean snow cone. Probably not open. So we got strawberry cheesecake flavor with condensed milk on top. Let's try it on the inside. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna do a taste test for the cheesecake flavored shaved ice snow cone. The condensed milk really does that thing. Don't drop. There's no napkin in here. Okay, bye. So we went out and we tried the snow cone, and I do believe condensed milk should go on snow cone. It was actually pretty good. It was a bit sweet, but it added a little flavor to the snow cone. So yeah. Bye. And bye. Twirl. I look so beautiful. I feel beautiful as well. Anyways, good night.
Who's calling that? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit?